I know some bitches in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas, they all be showing affection.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, come join the team, because we getting baddies over here. All right, today's video, don't chase her, just replace her. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we get caught up. I'm not here to point fingers, but hey, we've all been there. Me too. I'm pointing at myself, you and me. Oh, we've all been there where we're in a relationship, a situation, whatever it is, and our feelings and emotions really attached. You're really attached to this person. You built a connection. You caught the feels. Okay, let's just be real. You caught the feels. Now, her feelings ain't the same. Her feelings ain't what they used to be. She's slowly distancing herself. She's slowly, not hanging out with you as much. Not texting you back as much. Not calling you. You spend every weekend together. You spend every day together, whatever it is. That time has been cut in half. And now you sitting here wondering, what's up? Hey, yo, what's up? What you on? Huh? You know what I'm saying? Like, well, what's good with us? I thought we was like a unit. A unit stays together. A unit doesn't drift apart. First of all, you're supposed to be making it clear that you don't have all the time in the world. So you already done messed up by making yourself super available. Now she knows. You become predictable. You become obvious. You become, you know, a statistic. Just like every other dude. So now you over here questioning her as she's slowly, either she's drifting apart or she completely left. She's like, you know, I can't do this no more. I need time to myself. I just need to find myself and grow as a person. Look, whatever excuse she used, let her live in that excuse. Let her live in that, you know, mindset for however long it takes for her to realize you the prize. You don't need to start to prove yourself. You don't need to start to overcompensate. Nah, baby, like, you don't need that. Like, you gonna be out here probably mingling with other dudes and all of this, and you know, all you need is right here. We can figure it out together, baby. Like, that's what she's expecting you to do, because now you become, like I said, you become predictable. And predictability in a relationship, unattractive. Okay, unattractive for the most part, unless it's like, you know, you expect them. You predict them to be loyal to you, right? And be solid with you. And the main characteristics that attracted you to them, obviously, you want that. But anyways, when you pressing up on her, when you pushing up on her, when you question her, when you trying to bring yourself into her life, when she's taking herself out of your life on purpose because she wants space. She feels like it's too much going on. It's too much pressure. There's too much, you know what I mean? She ain't feeling it. Maybe that's just it. She just ain't feeling it no more. You ain't the same person. You stopped doing all the things that got her in the first place. She was attracted to you in the first place. You was that dude. You was chilling. You was cool. You was doing your own thing. You were on your purpose. You were on the grind. But guess what now? She left. But don't chase her, just replace her. You're supposed to have that roster already, you know what I mean? Filled up to the top. If you at a point where you're chasing somebody else or tempted to chase, that means you probably been with them for a long period of time. Long period of time, they got a hold on you. Caught the one-itis. You done forgot about the other 15. You got a squad. And they ready to come in the game. You know what I'm saying? So now, you gotta snap out of it. It's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be easy, but you gotta snap out of it, bruh. Activate Alpha Andy. Now's the time to buckle down. Let her go, let her do her thing. Let her have her space, her time to herself to figure out that, whatever. Cause she thinking you gonna come back. No, you doing your own thing. You out on dates. You out mingling. You out working on your business. You're out networking. You're out meeting new friends. It doesn't always have to be girls and stuff. You could just meet new people that are cool and like have a better social life. Start going to new places and trying new things that you haven't before, because you guys were in such a routine. You guys did the same old thing all the time. She might not have been open up to doing new things. You might have been like, damn, that looks like fun. She's like, nah, I don't want to do that. So you never did it. Well, guess what? Now's the time to do that. You fell off of your workout routine. Now's the time to get back in the gym. Now's the time to study. study things and learn things so that the next person you're with, you have more to talk about. You be like, oh, this is a place in Europe that I want to explore. It has this, and that. She's like, oh my God, that sounds amazing. Yeah, it's really interesting. Boom. I actually went there once and blah, 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 blah. And she has this whole story or whatever. I don't know. But what I'm saying is start to do new things. And guess what? You're gonna find somebody that not only wants to be with you, but they are the ones that want to spend more and more time with you. They're not tripping if you want to spend more and more time because you guys are compatible. Look, obviously you should be trying to, like, you know, ease up on it. But a woman that's really for you is not going to feel pressured and run away. She's just not. If you start to want to hang out more, she's not going to be like, you know what, you're doing too much. I feel like I need space, this and that, because she's really attracted to you. She really likes you. She might even love you. You know, she's the one. I hate to say it. She's the one. She's the one for you. At that moment, at least, in that period and season in your life. Because she knows what you have to offer, and you wanting to, you know, be around her more and more is not gonna make her go away or break up with you. But like I always say, you know, do your own thing, focus on yourself, and, you know, she'll be more and more attracted to you, right? So I think you guys get it. Find replacements, and not only will finding replacements be good for you because now you're finding somebody that's more compatible for you, but let's say, hey, you really do like that girl and maybe she really did have to go figure out some stuff. Well, now, all that space and all that time not hitting her up, you did the no contact, she's had time to think about the type of person you are and how ridiculous it is to have left you or created more space because of the fact that you wanted less space. You know what I'm saying? So now she sees you out here doing your thing. She sees you out here living this whole new life, building a whole new life, bettering your life. Now she wants to come back and join it. All that space, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Come on now. She's over here, what's going on with you? Hey, texting you, calling you. You want to hang out more than ever. You know, because you're getting better and better. You that dude. You're not only the guy that she was originally attracted to, but now you're 2.0. She's got no excuse to not want to be back with you. She knows these other dudes ain't nothing. They ain't got it like you. Like Alpha Andy. Now she might see you on social media hanging out with some other girl. Now she's definitely feeling the type of, oh, that's a knockoff, that's not me. Really? Or is it just the upgraded version of you? And you shouldn't have left. You should have rethought that decision. Anyways, that is it. Hope you guys apply this and let me know how it goes. Stay strong, because as easy as it is to say it, it's definitely a lot harder to apply it. So just go try it. That is it. If you like this video, please do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up button down below. Also down below, download Winning with Women. Also, I got brand new designs over on cancelthewedding.com. So make sure to go check those out. And until next time, focus on you, and the women will too.
I know some biddies in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas.